guys, I'm at the Murray Valley Highway level crossing in Echuca. This is a 4-signal gated crossing on the Echuca Line that sees the delinquent freight and grain as well as velocity services. Signals are basically all the same. This one has an unmarked base, a Westinghouse Gate Mechanism, a white with black writing Safetran signal sign, 2 Westinghouse LEDs and a Westinghouse Crossarm, a 2-track sign, a Red Crossbuck, a Safetran Type 3 E-bell, a flat gate and 3 Unipart gate lights. The median signal has an unmarked base, a Westinghouse Gate Mechanism, a white with black writing Safetran signal sign, 4 Westinghouse LEDs and a Westinghouse Crossarm, a 2-track sign, a Red Crossbuck, a pole cap, a flat gate and 3 Unipart gate lights. The equipment on that signal is exactly the same to that one, so I'm not going to explain it, and the equipment on that signal is exactly the same as this one, other than the fact that the one on the other side has a healthy state indicator, which this one does not. As you can see up there, and you can see on the other one the healthy state indicator. So we'll see velocity here. Yeah, it's pretty close. There it is. VL63. So this used to be a 4-signal gateless crossing with the Safetran Type 3 on the far gateless, a gated signal. However, with V-Line being V-Line, it got upgraded to gates. So there we go.